Hi, I'm a vet and pet health expert. And today we're going to answer a very common question that pet owners often ask me. Why is my dog shaking or trembling? There are many reasons why your dog may be shaking or trembling. So in this video, we are going to cover all the most common causes so you can better understand what might be going on when your furry friends start shaking. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe so you can stay updated with all of our educational content. And do not forget to give this video a like, because then it will be shown to even more pet owners who might need this information. Let's get right to it. The first reason why your dog may be shaking is because they're cold. Dogs shiver when they're cold, just like humans do. If you live in a cold climate, or if it's just chilly outside when you go for a walk, take a look at whether your dog's shivering when you come back inside. You can try wrapping your dog in a towel or sweater to help warm them up. And if their shivering continues, there could be another medical cause, so you should consult with your vet. Another reason why your dog may be shivering is because they're afraid or anxious. If your dog is experiencing fear or anxiety, they may start to shake or tremble. Common causes include loud noises such as fireworks, thunderstorms, or other loud animals like dogs or cats, as well as car rides or vet visits. Many dogs experience some level of anxiety at the vet, which can cause them to shake. You can help ease your dog's anxiety by providing a safe and comforting space, like a crate or dog bed, and hiding treats around it so that your dog feels more secure. If your dog's anxiety is severe, consult with your vet or a veterinary behaviorist about ways to manage your dog's anxiety. Next up is pain. Pain is another common cause of shaking in dogs. If your dog has an injury or is not feeling well, they may shake or tremble. This is especially true if the pain is severe or sudden. For example, if your dog was recently in an accident or was bitten by another animal, they may shake due to the pain. Or if your dog has arthritis or another chronic condition, they may shake as a result of the discomfort. If you think your dog is in pain, it's important to take them to the vet right away, so they can be examined and treated. In the meantime, you can try to keep your dog comfortable by providing a quiet and restful place for them to relax. Now let's talk about low blood sugar. Just like humans, dogs can sometimes experience low blood sugar, which can cause them to feel weak and shaky. This is especially true in puppies or small dogs. It can also happen if a dog has not eaten in a while or has recently exercised. If you notice that your dog is shaking and seems hungry, you can try giving them a small snack and see if it helps. However, if the shaking continues or you're concerned about your dog's health, it's best to consult with your vet. Right, moving on. Seizures. Seizures are another possible cause of shaking in dogs. A seizure is a sudden, abnormal electrical activity in the brain that can cause a variety of symptoms, including shaking, convulsions, and loss of consciousness. If you see your dog shaking during a seizure, it's important to stay calm and let the seizure run its course. Once the seizure is over, you can try to comfort your dog and make sure they are in a safe environment. However, if your dog has multiple seizures in a short period of time, it's important to contact your vet right away, as this could be a sign of a serious underlying condition. Next up is poisoning. If your dog has been exposed to a poison, it can cause a variety of symptoms including shaking, vomiting, and diarrhea. If you think your dog has been poisoned, it's important to contact your vet or the ASPCA Animal Poison Control Center right away. The sooner you can get help, the better chance your dog has of making a full recovery. Alright, let's talk about old age. As dogs get older, they can develop a number of health problems that can cause shaking, including cognitive decline, arthritis, and other chronic conditions. Additionally, older dogs may shake because they are colder, since their bodies may not be able to regulate temperature as effectively as they used to. If you have an older dog that is shaking, it's important to take them to the vet so they can be examined and any underlying conditions can be addressed. Next up is tick-borne diseases. Ticks can carry a number of diseases that can cause shaking in dogs, including ehrlichiosis, anaplasmosis, and Rocky Mountain spotted fever. These diseases can cause a variety of symptoms, including fever, lethargy, and joint pain. If you notice that your dog is shaking and has recently been in an area where ticks are common, it's important to contact your vet right away. Alright, moving on. Parasites. In addition to tick-borne diseases, parasites such as mites, fleas, and heartworms can also cause shaking in dogs. Mites and fleas can cause skin irritation and mange, which can lead to discomfort and shaking. Heartworm disease can cause damage to the heart and lungs, leading to difficulty breathing and exercise intolerance. This can also result in shaking. If you notice that your dog is shaking and has any signs of parasites, it's important to contact your vet right away. Next up is an underactive thyroid. Underactive thyroid can cause a number of symptoms in dogs, including weight gain, lethargy, and hair loss. In addition, an underactive thyroid can also cause shaking. This is because the thyroid hormone helps regulate body temperature, and a deficiency can lead to coldness and shaking. If you notice that your dog is shaking and has any other symptoms of an underactive thyroid, it's important to contact your vet. Finally, we have something called vestibular disease. Vestibular disease is a condition that affects the inner ear of the brainstem and can cause a number of symptoms, including shaking, dizziness, and loss of balance. This can be a scary condition for pet owners, but in most cases, it is not serious and will resolve on its own. However, if your dog is shaking and has other symptoms of vestibular disease, it's important to contact your vet right away. And there you have it, some of the most common reasons why your dog may be shaking. If your dog is shaking and you're not sure why, it's always best to err on the side of caution and contact your vet. Early diagnosis and treatment of any underlying conditions can help prevent further complications and ensure your dog's overall health and well-being. Speaking of underlying conditions, did you know that certain medications can cause your dog to shake? That's right. There are a few medications that can cause side effects like tremors or shaking in dogs. In this next video, I share the names of those medications and the side effects to watch out for. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Do you want to learn more about dog health and nutrition? Be sure to check out our other videos. And remember to subscribe so you never miss an update. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.